YouTube subscribers and viewers who are not part of the community, this video is for you. You're probably getting to the point where you're tired of watching your altcoins not do much, and I have the expectation that that trend will continue for a little bit. So if you haven't buckled up and joined a community yet, what I've done within my community is we've made changes to address the idea that where the money's made right now is within the short-term time frames, not looking for swing trades, not looking for the one big macro move, because it's just simply not working. It's probably not going to happen for a little bit, but rather we're doing short-term in and out trades, massaging our portfolios in a positive sense, because that's really where the money's at right now. So what I've done is within my Discord, I've created what you might essentially consider a Zoom room, where I have a couple of live trading leaders with their own channels within my Discord, so that people can come in from an educational standpoint, turn on their video and microphone and ask questions, live with their voice, as opposed to typing like on a YouTube live channel or something, so that people can be more exposed to lower time frames, which is really where the money's being made right now. But more importantly, especially for folks who mostly watch my channel for altcoin hodling, 20 bagging here and there, some profit taking, but more importantly, to figure out if that type of trading is sustainable within your lifestyle. So I have electricians, plumbers who work 12 hours a day. So the ability to hop on there to see how things are done, it would allow somebody to understand, hey, I can manage this within my lifestyle, and trading short-term timeframes can be done without day trading and being in front of a computer all the time. However, you can make that decision for yourself by checking out the live trading channels, and those two individuals, apart from myself, who are doing those, who are essentially running their own channels within my Discord, they post their calendar of when they're going to be available, so you can check in. And so that's the first major thing. And the second major thing is it helps you get exposed to different styles of, so within trading, there are only three things happening. You have entries, you have profit-taking strategies, and you have risk management strategies, right? So there are wildly different flavors and strategies for each of those three things within any one trade. So it allows you to get those different flavors, and then rolling back to the first most important thing, it allows you to understand and make the decision for yourself. Is this sustainable for me to do in regard to the time commitment? Because just buying and praying and hoping for rip tears to the upside on altcoins it's not going to be working for a little bit right now. So one of the ways to make a positive impact within your portfolio is to conduct shorter in and out trades. So my community has drastically changed recently to make light of that. So as you probably know, the links to the Discord community are down in the description section of all my videos. And in addition to those two live trading channels and those two live trading leaders doing their own thing with their own styles, so you can get exposed to it, my updates, even for the lower tier, cryptillion tier, is more in gear towards lower time frame type of stuff. And the content that I'm providing for making trades in and out is also on the low time frame. So we've made a little bit of adjustment. Now, when it seems like Bitcoin is doing well and altcoins are going to make potential tears to the upside, especially when their daily 10 EMA is above all other daily EMAs, I probably won't do it till then. Then we might get back into the groove of trading squeeze plays for longer stretches, like 40% gains, 30% gains. But right now, that's just not where the money is, folks. So if you wanted to check that out, the live trading channels are accessible to the upper tiers within the community, and feel free to check it out. Happy New Year. I am in Houston, Texas right now. I drove down with my family to meet up with my wife's family from Mexico. So I'm in a house full of 16 people, right? A rented house right now. And so that's what I'm going to be doing for New Year. And watch out for, so Happy New Year. But also just know that looking back at all of the, I guess what you consider New Year's drops, it's roughly half of them did happen after the New Year. So some happened just before, some happened just after, but the New Year's sell-off usually happens within about a 50 to 60-day window, so roughly 30 days. So if you take January 1st, some happened before or after, some happened before. So what has happened as of now might have already been the drop off, but looking back historically, a lot of them, continue or actually happen for the first time after the new year. So it's possible we haven't seen it yet. So be very careful. And that is another reason why we're making short in and out trades to the downside or upside for mini bounces. But whenever we're seeing a bounce to the upside, we don't. So our current trading style is we're not looking for tears to the upside, rather quick profit taking. And then if we're going to milk trades, we're trying to milk it to the downside for the moment, because that's what the charts are saying right now. So we're trading more bearish. And if we have a bullish moment on the 1 hour chart or something, I have reason to believe Bitcoin will pop up 5% over the next couple of days. We're taking profits quickly. So that's what we're doing. And feel free to check out the community. And Happy New Year to everybody. Stay safe. And, don't just sit there on your altcoins hoping for a massive all-time high breakout or anything like that. So, this video isn't, saying like sell everything, go into Tether. I'm not saying that, but rather what I am saying is manage your expectations and perhaps change your expectations and your styles on how you're dealing with your portfolio. So we'll see you later, and Happy New Year. Happy 2022.